Climate change is real and it starts right here in our neighborhood. What if I tell you that by planting trees and managing waste, we can change the game? Through our Green Roots initiative, we aim to plant over 300 trees, each one with the ability to absorb over 22 kg of carbon dioxide per year. That means clearer air, cooler streets, and healthier lives.
Waste management. Every day, we see plastic and waste flooding our gutters. We are flipping the script by turning waste into wealth. With local recycling and composting hubs, we plan to recover 1.5 tons of waste yearly, reducing pollution and creating green jobs. It's more than cleanup, it's a new economy. Join us plant a tree, sort your waste. Climate action starts with one community, and that community is us.